It's a brand new tooling of Lancia Integrale. We've got this beauty.
This looks like a ripper.
Look at that.
Italeri. I've never heard of a radio control car from Italeri.
That's because it's not radio control.
What? A model that big?
It is a plastic kit. It's 1/12 scale. It's a brand new tooling of Lancia Integrale. So there's the HF. So that's one earlier. I don't exactly know the full, what's the word I'm looking for?
Lineage?
Yeah, chronology.
Yeah.
Of all of the deltas. But you can see that it's got no rear wing and stuff. I think they come on later ones. So this is a very bare bones sort of hatch, but it does have the flares, and it's got the classic engine in it. Do you know much about the engines?
I don't know.
Because the engines, I think, are made by Abarth. So I don't really understand how Abarth sits within the family of companies. But
well,
Abarth,
it was a tuning house, like what HSV is to
right?
Fiat,
Okay.
To Fiat, Lancia.
Because the engines should have Abarth casting to them. So Abarth made the engines for these,
Mm-hmm.
and they were quite a monster of a car. So 4-wheel drive, and I think we should have a look. How about a look on the top first?
Are you not going to break into this one, are you?
What do you mean?
Are we going to unbox this one?
Hey?
Well,
Oh, we'll have a quick look.
You got a big tank last week.
I got a big tank. Yeah.
We can't take this one as well. Look good next to the Mephisto.
Yeah, I got one of them too. Look at this. Look at this.
What?
This is impressive. Okay.
I'm impressed.
So,
what are we looking at, Beach?
All right. We've got stainless steel photo etching.
Stainless steel.
Yeah.
What does that mean?
Means it's really strong.
Ah.
So you can tell that by the silver. So generally, stainless steel photo etches are thicker and stronger than brass. Brass you can get finer, but with something this big, you want to sort of stiffer, keep it shape. Okay, so we've got grills here, and we've got the seatbelt harnesses.
Seatbelt harness.
Yeah, you know, all the buckles and stuff. I think there's bits for there's windshield wipers along here, and you've got mud flaps. I think any mud flappy bits. And then over here we've got some mesh for the inside of the grill, and then we've got these massive decal sheets. All right, so you've got them on here.
Wow.
And these are actually printed by Cartograf.
How do you know?
Because it says so, right down here. Okay, so Cartograf print the best decals in the world, and seeing that they're Italian and Italeri are Italian, it makes sense to get really nice decals printed. So you can guarantee that these are going to be really thin and really crisp.
Well, they also don't have a J-spec over there, do they?
J-spec, no. No. So that's not all. There's another sheet of decals.
What's this one?
These are your carbon Kevlar decals, okay, for the back of the seat and for other bits and pieces that you'll wrap around. So there's going to be components in the engine, I think.
Well, back in the 80s, that's how carbon Kevlar looked, isn't it?
Yeah, that's right. It's got a greeny yellow finish. Yeah. You got the, what do you call that again? The demister for the rear windscreen. Got your Michelin decals there as well. So that's pretty full on. Very nice. All right, got all our decals.
What else have we got?
Well, we got the manual. Put
I'm
that
really
aside.
scared to go jumping into this one.
Why? Well, we've got to look at the body. Right?
Look how big it is.
Okay, so
That's
there we go.
pretty big for a model.
It is.
That'd be the kind of model I'd like to get somebody else to build.
So you got someone else to build. You got the opening rear hatch, and then you've got the opening bonnet, and you've got opening doors as well. You've got a whole set of tyres. So this is a tarmac version. It's got the slicks. So this is going to be sitting really low. It's going to look really mean. But there's more magical stuff in here. Okay, so we've got some chrome bits. There for your glass. Oh, well, for your lights.
Isn't it?
Yep. There's a front grille there. And they got a bag of tiny nuts. You know all about tiny nuts, don't you?
We'd have to have a look. Yeah, I struggle with them.
Yeah. But there's another pack
What's this pack?
Goodness.
Ribbon.
Yeah, let's do a zoom in.
Is that in case you gift it to somebody?
What do you mean?
The ribbon. What does the ribbon do?
Well, that's actually the seat belts. They're fabric seat belts.
Wow.
And you've got a whole heap of hosing there.
Intercooler hose and wiring.
Springs. You got some copper wire. You got a variety of screws. So you can see how much detail you can put into this kit. Beautiful. I reckon Nick would like one of these, wouldn't he? Probably wouldn't like to build it.
Wouldn't like to build it, yeah.
Let's stick that back in there.
Don't get all confused. Don't just pull it all out of the box and throw it in at the last minute.
What do you mean?
That doesn't work.
Doesn't it?
No.
Speaking from experience.
Yeah, do it as you go, mate.
All right, so that's all the clear bits. These are chunky bits with all the doors and stuff. You've got the bonnet there. Super fine ribbing there.
I like the way I like the way that they've masked all that. Well, they've injected all the body in white.
Yes.
Not that you don't have to paint it, but it just makes it easy. If you're going for that white finish, you'll get a crystal white paint.
That's right. Won't you? Nothing worse than black plastic, which you have to change white. You never cover it all. And then you got big chunky bits on the back. You got exhaust and stuff.
Exhaust.
Yep. We've got black bits. All right, that's going to have all your dashboard across here.
Steering wheel.
What's that? Is that
fuel
a tank?
Cell, exhaust manifold.
Wipers, suspension components on this side. What do you got here? You got a gearbox, you got the engine block.
I love engines.
Love it.
Yeah,
love engines. And then you got these really nice wheels.
I love the mechanical bits.
You got your discs here, ventilated discs.
You got the wheel covers.
Yeah, so they're the venti wheel covers. What else we got here?
Yeah, I don't know. There's just
sort
so
of
much
push rods
detail.
and stuff, yeah.
Yeah, it looks like suspension. We've got
got your racing seats,
steering rack,
and then you got your chassis and everything in there. Big chunky.
I love it. That is really cool.
Nice, isn't it?
Now, obviously, something like this is going to be a premium price. It's not going to be a $49 kit on TV.
No. So it's that's $390.
Yeah,
which is not bad for a super brand new kit.
It's really good to see that they're still like coming out and making new things. Even like the last thing that we opened up, it's really good. We seem to get that much just rehashed same stuff. It's really nice to have something exciting, isn't it?
For sure.
I know you light up.
I have lit up. I'm still lit up, aren't I? I'm lit.
Rightio.
Yeah, nice.
You had me
super nice. You like that?
That is really cool. That is an unboxing. Look, and you put it back in the box.
Look at that. See, it all fits too.
You're just showing me up now, aren't you?
Learn from the master. All right, there you go. Lancia Delta HF Integrale 16 valve.
Fantastic.
Beautiful kit. 112 scale.